Hi everyone, this is a video about organization, how we can organize our classes, math class in particular, but you could apply these strategies to other classes. So you can see that I have 4 things open here for math class, and these are the basic things that we'll want you to have open. We might open some other things during class, but at the beginning of class, you should have Schoology open, you should have Desmos open, you should have ClassKick open. You should have your spreadsheet for your team open. Um, you should also have Pear Deck and Meet open, but I showed you in a different video how to pin those to your taskbar or to your shelf so that you have those as an easily clickable thing that doesn't have to live up here. So, the first thing I'm going to show you, you should have these 4 things open in its own separate window. So if you don't happen to know how to do that, you would want to create a new window and then open those tabs in that new window. So Chrome can have multiple windows. You don't have to have all of your tabs in one window. But I'm going to suggest that you have just these 4 tabs in one window for this reason that I'm going to show you right now. So this can be really helpful. You don't have to think about opening all these, remembering each day, and you can still close them. So you want to find a blank spot in this window where there is not a tab. And if you only have these 4 tabs open, there will be a blank spot. And you want to right click on this if you have a mouse. If you don't have a mouse, it's clicking with 2 fingers on your trackpad. And you want to click on bookmark all tabs. So if you bookmark all tabs, make sure that you have the bookmarks bar selected so that it shows up right here. And I want to call these my math tabs. All right, and you can name it whatever you want, just so you know. All right, I'm going to save that, and then it will show up right here. And so the reason that this is useful, I'm going to close this now, close this whole window. The reason that this is useful, am I going to close them? There we go. I'm going to close them. Now I can click on these math tabs. Same thing, I can right click with my mouse, or if I don't have a mouse, I can click with 2 fingers. And notice how it says open all in new window. So that's one of my options. There's also this new tab group. I'm going to talk about tab groups in a minute here. But if I click open all in new window, it brings up a new window. All 4 of those tabs are open right away. So you can have that. It will take you to Schoology. You could even make sure that this is your math class tab that comes up so that the banner is right there and you can click on the Meet link right away. Okay. So that is bookmarking all of these tabs, making them a folder that's easily accessible. That is one of your organization options that I would strongly suggest so you can keep track of things. Another thing that you can do, and you might have seen this, is you can click in that same space and you can name this window. And this is maybe sort of useful on a Chromebook here. If you know how to switch between windows by using this mode, it's named math now instead of something else. Okay, so that might be helpful for you. It's one option. The next thing that we could do is to group these as a tab group. Okay, so I can again right click on this or 2 fingers click to get to that same thing, and I can add this tab to a new group. I can call this math. I can make it green or purple or blue. Doesn't really matter. And then I can do the same thing for all of these. I can add these to my math tab group. Okay. And then the nice thing about this is I can collapse it. I can click here. There we go. And close the group. Right? Okay. So there are some options for organizing for all the stuff. Well, there will be other videos as well to give you some other tips and tricks.